stopped suddenly. Standing in the shadows was a girl, dressed in a black dress, white pinafore, and with a white mop cap on her head. She smiled at Flora before turning a corner and disappearing. Flora felt her heart beat faster. Her mouth became very dry. She knew what she had seen. There were no other guests unless Margaret had received a visitor. She was reluctant to move. Despite having listened to ghosts for the past 3 months, it was the last thing she'd expected to see on her holiday. But her curiosity was just too great. When she got to the staircase, the girl was looking up at her from the lower landing. Flora hesitated. She hadn't prepared herself for ghosts, and seeing one again made her shiver, like it was the middle of winter and not August at all. But she couldn't stop herself. She walked down the staircase towards the girl. When Flora reached the last step, the girl had disappeared. It was as though she had walked through a doorway that Flora couldn't see. The entrance hall was dark and empty. The silence pressed against her, and Flora suddenly felt very frightened. Just as she was turning to race back to the safety of her room, a noise made her stop. She turned slowly around.